Hi, if you're considering to get this Jules Air 2 Plus for your next big purchase, here's my honest and non-sponsored review. Before buying this, I considered 3 other brands, which are Looping Squeeze 3, Stokey Yo-Yo, and Bugaboo Butterfly 2. I haven't found a review locally about this, so I hope na makatulong siya if you're considering to get this. First things first, we've had this for more than 2 months. We used this in our 9-day Japan trip. Nagamit namin siya sa malls, here, sa parks, pavement, grass. And nagamit ko siya with my toddler who is 3 years old and my baby na 8 months old. So I think my experience would be pretty reliable naman. I have 5 things that I don't like about this and 15 things that I love about this. Let's talk about the 5 things that I don't like about this first. If you zip it back, it could be a struggle because the excess fabric gets stuck to the zipper. So the trick is, kailangan mong ipasok muna. Hindi siya masyadong big deal, but if you're in a hurry, this could be a hassle. And second would be, dalawa lang yung recline positions niya. Ito, tsaka yung almost flat. And not like the other strollers na kung saan mo man siya gustong i-stop, na-stop siya. Pero ito, dalawa lang yung options. Third naman, pag nakababa to, walang cover-up yung peekaboo, which hindi naman masyadong big deal. Pero kasi lang, na-compare ko siya sa iba na merong cover dito. Fourth, pagka naka full recline siya, mahirap kunin yung gamit sa ilalim. Nakakasagabal kay baby pag natutulog, tapos may kailangan akong kunin. I don't know if it's considered a con kasi lahat naman yata ng stroller na may full recline position. Magiging problem yun. Fifth would be yung accessories niya. Isa lang yung free niyang accessory, which is yung travel bag. This one I got for free, pero you have to buy it separately pag walang promo. And all their accessories are really expensive, and better buy na yung mga generic ones na lang, like yung bottle holder, yung rain cover. May mga affordable options naman to get that. So those are the things that I don't like about it. Now, let's move to the 15 things that I love about this. First would be, syempre, the look of it. Wala akong ibang nakitang brands na may ganitong zipper. Ang minimalist niyang tingnan. It looks classy without being trying hard. Masyadong loud yung mga branding niya. Like, yan lang. And would be the most important thing, of course, it's functionality and performance. Yung performance niya, it's easy to maneuver even with heavy loads. Kahit may dalawang bata na nakaupo, kahit may heavy load, never siya tumumba. Never kami nagka-problem with how we use it. Third, washable yung seat niya. It's easy to remove and put back. Fourth, I like this part na medyo nakaangat siya. So if uupo si baby, hindi niya madadaganan. Plus, easy lang siya to buckle. It would be yung flat recline niya. And for a toddler, it's important na fully recline siya. And since Vera is not very fond of really riding a stroller, nagulat ako when we were in Japan. Kaya niya mag-last dito the whole day. Plus, nakakapag-nap siya ng more than 2 hours because of its flat recline position. Minsan nakakadapa pa siya. Which brings me to my 6th highlight, yung leg rest. Yeah. Not all strollers have this, and yung Jules Air and Jules Air Plus na model, kailangan mo pang bilhin separately yung accessory na yun. So this is really a bonus for me. 7 would be the canopy na extended siya hanggang baba. That means I don't have to bring cloth na to use as cover up. And may ventilation pa siya here and here. The coverage is enough for us, especially when babies are sleeping. 8th would be, it's so easy to fold. 9th, ano siya, if naka-fold na siya, hindi siya tumutumba. Di ba yung iba, pagka nakaganyan, tutumba-tumba. Ito hindi, stable siya. 10th would be the storage basket. It has 8 kg capacity and I think it's already pretty decent. Depth niya and yung weight niya, okay naman. 11th would be the footrest. And I didn't realize how important it is na maganda yung position or yung angle niya pag nakaupo yung toddler. Until nakita ko si Vera na super comfortable with it. 12, the only accessory included in this, yung travel bag niya. Although this is cabin approved, not all airlines allow you to bring it inside. So, intercept siya by Cebu Pacific. I think it really depends on the airline. So, yun nga, since intercepted siya, at least may travel bag which secured it from dumi, ganyan. 13th would be this pocket. So, if you're like me na hindi nagdadala ng personal bag, and ang dala lang is phone, wallet, and susi, this is very convenient for me. 14th. Although this is an extra accessory and I think pricey siya, but I bought it anyway kasi naka-sale naman. This basket bag. You can see weird yung shape niya. That's because it fits perfectly here. So, if you know me, I want na very neat and organized. Ayoko ng mga madaming nakasabit or magulo tignan. And with this, susuksok mo lang lahat ng gamit mo dito. Secured pa siya. It fits perfectly here. So, if kailangan mo nang i-fold to, at least, kukunin mo lang siya. Hindi na lahat ng gamit mo. Hindi na yung pa isa-isa mo pang kukunin. Tsaka, if hindi masyadong mabigat yung laman ng bag mo, pwede mo siyang isabit dito for easy access to your essentials like wipes, diaper, yan, makukuha mo agad. And may extra storage ka pa sa ilalim. 15th thing I like about this is the warranty. So, wala akong nakitang ganong ibang brands that offer 10-year warranty. Kaya siya mura for me. That warranty, kahit pa paano, gives me peace of mind. So, knowing what I know now, would I still buy it? Yes. Would I recommend it? Yes, also. Yung mga cons that I talked about a while ago, hindi talaga siya yung makaka-apekto sa performance and durability ng product. More of ano lang siya, would have been better if ganito, ganyan. Improvement lang for the next model. I recommend it and I'm very happy with our purchase. Bye!